Tired of important values getting lost in the shuffle of your Tableau charts? Let's learn how to guarantee a specific value, like central sales for instance, always appears at the very end of your sorted list every single time. First, import your data into Tableau, then navigate to the sheet where you want to implement this trick. Now, we'll create a special calculated field that will control the order. Click on Create Calculated Field and let's name it something descriptive, such as conditional sorting. Inside the calculated field window, we'll use a simple logic structure: construct an if-then else statement. The if statement's condition checks if your specific value, such as central sales, exists within the dimension you are sorting. If it's true, then give it a high numeric value. If it's not central, give it a normal numeric value, like the sales amount. Drag the dimension you want to sort, typically your categories, onto the rows section in your view. Then, drag your new conditional sorting calculated field onto the columns and make sure the axis is set to your measure. If the axes are not set up correctly, Tableau may not sort the dimensions in the correct order. To finalize the process, right-click on your dimension on the row and select Sort in the Sort dialog box. Choose Field as your sort option, then select your conditional sorting field we created for the Sort By option, and choose either ascending or descending to get central to be the last or first value. And, just like that, your desired value will consistently stay at the end of your list, even when sorting by other metrics. This is great for highlighting goals, key metrics, or any important information that you do not want others to miss. This gives you more control over your data presentation, making your Tableau dashboards more effective.